Guys, in this video I'm showing you how you can create Facebook group in 2022. So let's jump into the video. But before getting into the video, here is some intro about our channel. Our channel Noteartener is a tech tutorial channel, and here we upload daily how-to tutorial videos bringing solutions of the problem that you are facing on your internet journey. So you can join our community by subscribing and pressing the bell icon to get free access of our unlimited content of interesting and knowledgeable tech videos like this one. So let's jump into the video. So firstly you have to open your Facebook app, then you log in into your account. After that, tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. Then you come to this page. Here you can see all shortcuts tab, and here you can find all these boxes, and then you can see here groups. If you can't see the groups option here, then you can simply tap on the see more, and here you can find the groups option. After finding the groups, simply tap on that, and here you can see the groups. So here you can see all the recent posts, and in the very top of this page you can see the three options for you: your groups, discover. Tap on the your groups, and here you can see your groups on Facebook. So simply to create a Facebook group, tap on the create button in the top right corner of this. You can see the groups you manage tab. Tap on the create button to create a Facebook group. If you haven't created any Facebook group and you are new on Facebook, then you can see that in the place of this new group, you can see in my case, in the groups you manage tab, you can find the create group option. If you have not created any Facebook group, then you can simply tap on the create group option in that case also. After that, what you need to do from here, you can simply name your group. You can simply give name to your Facebook group. You can choose privacy, whether you want to make it private or public. After that, tap on the create group in the very bottom. So when you are here, you can simply invite any of the members, all the members, all the friends that you want to add on this Facebook group. You can also search for friends, and then you can invite on this Facebook group. Then tap on the next button in the top right corner. After that, you can add a cover photo, then tap on the next. Then you can add a description. You can also choose goals, then tap on the next button, and here you can also upload a or create a post on, and then you can upload it on your this new Facebook group. So that's how you can create a Facebook group. So if you find this video helpful, you can subscribe to my channel, like this video, and share it with your friends. Now see you next time.